What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a coolant drain and fill on this 2000 Kawasaki ZX6R. As always with doing coolant things, you want the bike to be cold, so don't do this just after riding the bike. Let it cool down so you don't get scalded by hot coolant. Coolant is toxic, so dispose of it properly. Don't leave it out for pets or animals to drink because it could kill them. First things off are the fairings, of course, on a sport bike like this. Pop the radiator cap so the coolant flows out better. Remove the drain plug with a 10mm. Plug it back up and fill with distilled water to rinse the cooling system. Start the bike and run it briefly to circulate the water and pick up more contaminants. Drain the water and plug it up for the final time before filling with fresh 50-50 coolant and distilled water in the reservoir and radiator. It takes about 2 liters mixed. I like to run the bike for a minute or so with the cap off to let out any significant air pockets, then install the cap and continue to run the bike until it gets past 70 degrees Celsius. Then turn it off, cool it down, and then check the fluid level. If it's all good, take it out for a ride and then check after the ride when it's cooled down. After any coolant job, it's a good idea to let the bike cool down and open it, check the coolant level. This will take half an hour, maybe an hour to let the bike fully cool down so it doesn't burn you when you open the cap. Top it up if you've got any air pockets. I'm going to take it for a ride now and make sure I circulate all the coolant and get it up to temps and then let it sit and check it. Well, that's a wrap on the coolant drain and fill on this 2000 ZX6R. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop them in a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please smash the like and subscribe button down below and have a good day.